Hello, techies. Alright, this is Content 9.5 Challenge Lab. We are going to work on mobile hardware support. So we have all our tasks highlighted here on the left pane. So let's get into the details of our tasks in this particular lab. Alright, so let's begin. So you are the junior IT professional at a small startup company. Your manager has asked you to prepare the marketing director's iPad and notebook computer for an upcoming conference that she is attending while working on the notebook computer. You notice the integrated Wi-Fi adapter is not functioning. Complete the following on the iPad. Turn off the airplane mode and connect the iPad to the CubNet wireless network. Airplane mode is disabled, and the passphrase is provided also. Turn off the Bluetooth, turn on passcode, and configure the iPad to require a passcode after 15 minutes of being idle. Configure the iPad to erase all data after 10 failed passcode attempts. Configure VPN settings on the iPad for future use. And VPN type is going to be PPTP. Description is going to be Office Tune VPN. Server is going to be 198.28.56.110. Account is going to be M Brown. All right, so leave the password field blank and all other settings as default. Complete the following on Office 2 laptop computer. All right, let's go ahead and start up. So we are going to turn this display on, and we'll go to settings. So let's look at the first task. First task is to turn off airplane mode. So this has been turned off, and the Wi-Fi is to be turned on. And for the Wi-Fi, we are going to input this passphrase for the CubNet network. Okay, that is done. So the next thing, we're going to go to Bluetooth and ensure that Bluetooth is turned off. Let's go to general, background, general. Let's go to passwords. Okay, so touch ID and passcode. Okay, we'll turn this on and enter passwords. Okay, so enter the password provided for us, 1542. Click next and re-enter the new password. We'll click on done. All right, so that is sorted out. And configure the iPad to require a passcode after 15 minutes of being idle. So we go here. After 15 minutes, configure iPad to erase all data after 10 failed passcode attempts. So we go back here and erase data, enable. Go to general, VPN, of this, PPTP, and Office 2 VPN. We'll copy this and just paste it in here. and the server provided also. We just copy this and paste this in here. Account is going to be M Brown. We copy this and we'll paste this in here. We'll go ahead and save this. Let's scroll down and see what else we have to do. Leave the password field blank and all other settings as default. All right. So complete the following. So complete the following on the Office 2 laptop computer. On the laptop, install the fastest USB wireless adapter from the inventory on the laptop. Configure power saving options to increase battery life as follows. All right. So on the laptop, configure power savings options to increase battery life as follows. Customize the plan to turn off the screen after 10 minutes. Use the best power efficiency plan. Alright, let's go to floor 1 overview. Let's go to Office 2. Move this here. So we'll go to the back and let's see what we have. Do we have a card for it? We have a USB. So we want to make sure that this is the fastest. So this is 802.2 and IE to 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz. So let's check this. Let's go to details of this. Okay, and check this again. Let's go to details. 822. Okay. So let's go ahead and 822. Netgear AC6100 wireless. IEE 822, 5 gigahertz. Okay. So I think the fastest we have here is this. We just plug this here. Let's turn this back to front. Alright, so this is turned back to front. Let's go ahead and turn this Wi-Fi on the USB wireless adapter from the inventory on the laptop. Configure power savings option to increase battery life as follows. Okay, so we want to go to power saving options on the laptop. So first off, let's connect this to internet and okay, this is connected. Okay, alright, so since it's connected, we want to let's perform the other tasks. Power. Okay, so brought up no nope, that's not what we want. Let's see, this is connected. Okay, so what we want to do is to go to power options here. Okay, so I think we can get it through this means also. So let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. So we go to battery saver, turns on at 20 minutes. Okay, power mode, this is best power efficiency screen. What are the details here? To turn off after 10 minutes when on battery power. So on battery power, turn off after 10 minutes. So we are going to change this to 10 minutes according to the instruction given to us here in the task. So what we want to do is to go when plugged in, turn off screen after 30 minutes. All right, so uh, turn off screen when on battery. So this is gonna be 10 minutes. Why turn off screen when plugged in after turn off screen when plugged in after turn off when plugged in after, let's see, this is 30 minutes. Scroll. Let's see, is there any other thing we need to do? Okay, so let's see how we do. We'll go ahead and score lab. Alright, so that is 100%. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, and also remember to share this video among your colleagues and other students in other educational platforms so that they can benefit also. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and if you have any question, hit me up in the comment section and I will do well to reply you. And I will see you again in my next video. In the meantime, stay blessed and bye.